You have to see what just came in the mail. It's exciting. I never win anything, but I won this. And I want to show you guys what I won. Check it out. Here's the box. This box comes from Lisle Tools. They hold contests on Instagram. And for the most part, most people like to put my name in there, but I never really enter myself because I'm not used to winning things. But this time around, I won because somebody put my name in there and I just followed suit just to see what would happen. Thank you very much, Lisle Tools. With that said, guys, before we go in the box, I have to say this. You all know that on this channel, I review tools, but I pay for them out of my own pocket. Everything is purchased by me because I'm interested in that specific tool and I want to use it and test it. My reviews are 100% honest. I will not accept any tools where they expect me to do a review on them and I cannot be fully honest. So I would rather purchase it myself. These specific tools came free of charge as a contest win. So I'm gonna go ahead and feel safe that I can review these because Lyle is not expecting me to review these as I use them later on. So expect reviews, okay? We're gonna go ahead and open this up. There you go. And yes, it was pre-cut for the video to make things faster. We're gonna go ahead and open this right up. And we've got some nice package bubbling right there. And look at that, right off the bat, we're gonna start off by moving the box out of the way. And look at that, a nice set of heavy duty impact gloves, mechanics gloves, as I like to call them. I frequent the Milwaukee brand that is similar to this. This is part number 89970. These are impact extra large gloves. I like how it's got the on sign there, so I'm guessing that these perhaps have the grip so that you can touch your phone with zero issues. But I don't know much about these gloves. I'm really gonna have to learn about them. They do feel great in the hand. They've got some thick parts there that feel like they give you some protection. I can't wait to put them to use. Lyle, thank you very much for sending these. Look at that. We've got Smile with Lyle. Check it out, guys. Very nice. That must be their new tagline. I like it. This may go on one of my pack out boxes. They also sent me, of course, their giant booklet of tools. They really want to get together with getting people of buying all these tools. Now they do have some awesome stuff in here. I was looking around. I have that set, by the way. I was looking around here and boy, I could use almost everything that's in here. Now for the piece of resistance. This is the Lyle part number 13050 flip socket set 4-piece. Now this right here, guys, I was about to purchase myself. I was not looking for Lyle to say that I won this. I was surprised when I won it. They actually emailed me telling me that I won before I hit purchase, which was amazing. And I'm so grateful that they did because I was gonna buy this. Now check this out, guys. This has your most common lug nut sizes right there with a punch tool to get them out when they get stuck. And the reason why you have that punch tool is because this helps you get lug nuts that have gone oversized or are stripped or something's happened to them, right? So you can put this on your impact, flip it, force it in there and get those lug nuts off. And as you get those lug nuts off, sometimes they'll get stuck inside the socket and you have to use the punch tool.
Double-ended flip sockets offer 2 hex sizes in each socket for the removal of standard and damaged lug nuts found on many vehicles. 6-point impact sockets are made from chrome moly steel with black oxide finish. The set includes 18.5 and 19.5 millimeter, 21 and 21.5 millimeter, 22 and 22.5 millimeter, a punch to remove the lug nuts from the sockets. Comes in a blow molded case for storage.
I can't wait to put this to use, guys. It's gonna be a fun tool to use. It's going in my toolbox right away because I can absolutely start using it today. Thank you, Lyle, for allowing me to get this set and enter your contest. I'm completely excited. And guys, if you're not buying Lyle today, absolutely consider it. And if you haven't bought this set and you're waiting for a review, I'll tell you what. Stay close to the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and use this on a few cars and I will come back with a more in-depth review of it maybe in a short because this tool is pretty easy to figure out.